Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. You can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you got one of them, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, as you can see right over here. Push the pin in, and the tray pops out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card, each slot being dedicated to the card. So I'm gonna utilize one of each. There we go. Now the cards will only go one way, so you don't need to worry about it going in some weird way. So there we go. Now you do want to make sure that the SD card is laying flush on the tray. As you've seen, for me, when I placed it in, I did have it a little bit going to the bottom, so I did need to fix it up. So there we go. From here we can insert the cards back into our phone, and they should start working immediately. So there we go. SIM card is already working. As you can see, it's telling me to put in my SIM pin. So I'll do that. And the SD card is working as well. As you can see, there is a pop-up SD card inserted. So both of the cards are working just fine, and that is how we can insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.